To use a song from Spotify as your alarm notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Clock app. While you are in the alarm section, tap the required alarm. Tap alarm sound. And then select Spotify. Select the desired artist. As a note, it will randomly select a song from the selected artist. If you don't want to use the selected song, you can swipe down the top of the screen to open up the notification panel. And then you can tap the next button or previous button on the Spotify playback to select another song from the selected artist. Once you find the song, swipe up the screen to close the notification panel. Tap the back key twice. And then tap save button to save your selection. With this setting, when the selected alarm rings, your phone will play the song you select from the Spotify. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.